You may have been taught that flam taps are when you play a flam, followed by a tap on the same hand. Then you repeat off the other hand. But did you know that there are 3 different ways to play this rudiment? The first is to treat everything but the grace note as an accent. This makes it so the flam and tap are both high. If you isolate the hands, the notation looks like this. This is the loudest of the 3 variations, but it's a little hard to play a low and relaxed grace note. Another way to play flam taps is to play an accent followed by a low tap. If you isolate the hands, the notation looks like this. This variation has the most distinct heights, but it can be hard to keep the taps low without slowing down or tightening your grip. And the third way is to use a natural decay, where each note gets lower, starting with an accent and ending with a grace note. This is the easiest way to play fast flam taps because it's basically a single motion with controlled rebounds. All 3 of these flam taps work, but you need to make sure everyone on the drumline uses the same approach, or it will sound dirty and look sloppy. Whatever flam taps you use, this exercise is a great way to practice them. It starts with 8th notes on the right hand, then adds 1 per measure until you play flam taps. Then it takes away 1 note per measure until you end with 8th notes on the left hand. This exercise not only teaches you what each hand is playing in isolation, it also teaches you how to put your hands together to create flam taps. You can find more rudiment builders like this in the technique section of my YouTube channel's home tab, where there are thousands of free exercises to help you improve your chops, technique, limb independence, and more.